So, first of all, let me just ask this question. We had the issue, is it even possible to tell which way the bicycle went? Is the answer yes or no? Is it possible, do you think? Oh, okay. All right. Which way did the bicycle go then? All right. We did actually witness it going from left to right. That is the correct answer. But has anyone got definitive argument that just clinches just from the pure shape of those curves? Yes, that bike really had to go from left to right and would not have mathematically gone from right to left. Why?
We're assuming an attached bicycle. All my theories.
Oh, that's
Here's
right.
the body of the bicycle. There's a wheel here that's fixed to the frame.
Actually, here's the bicycle. Show me. Show me on a real bicycle.
Okay.
What do you mean?
So, however the way this one moves, this rear wheel is pointing towards that front wheel at a fixed distance. So, for example, what that means on a track is, say, this spot right here. The wheel had to be pointing towards the front wheel. By the direction, that means that this is the direction. Basically, the tangent to this curve tells you the direction to find the front wheel.
I'm an 8th grader. What else does tangent mean?
Let's see.
It's the guy's been laying in the sun too long at the beach.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
I chose that word because I thought these two would know it, but all right, so
But it's me. It's me.
So right here, what direction is it going? There are two possibilities, either going that way or going that way.
Okay.
All right, if you took a very short distance, going that way means basically like that, or basically like that.
Okay.
All right, if I
Well, actually, I
believe
shouldn't
that
be
it's
saying
not
okay.
hitting right at the front wheel, then the front wheel is either sitting right there, or the front wheel is sitting right there.
Or the other.
Or on the next one.
Or the next one.
Or
Okay.
on the next one after that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's pick any one of them and see if we believe it a little bit later. So let's start with from here to right around there. So roughly that far. And let's take some other spot.
Do you have an actual
say,
ruler?
Right here.
Do you have an
Is
actual
all that
ruler
same
you should
distance?
use?
Oh yeah.
Oh, visual. That might not be long enough.
All right.
No, that's
So
the exact. Oh, okay.
so this thing is pointing to some spot, curve somewhere in the curve, somewhere in maybe in here.
Okay.
Or it's pointing to some point on the curve. Oh, maybe there, red curve.
Okay. So now you're thinking if you're going from right to left, you're saying it's
So if I'm moving left to right, tangent to let's say a steeper spot, tangent
Okay.
to take me to
so the back wheel is
somewhere
currently
in here.
pointing towards the front wheel track at that distance you just
Yeah.
flashed up on the board.
yeah. Or
Okay.
if you want to talk about the other direction, then I guess I've got to go to
And if the bicycle is going from right to
that
left,
spot.
the back wheel's now currently pointing towards the front wheel track,
Yeah, it'll be
flashing
that
it on
way.
me at the same distance it looked like.
Yeah.
Oh.
Right. So we are going to move along the curve to see if we believe in any consistency.
Ah.
So all right. So I'm pointing at some spot over here and trying to follow tangent lines, and that looks terrible.
Go to the second red line.
Go to the second red line.
Go to the part that works for you
So
nicely.
this one right there.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay, so let's see, that one to that one, and then I guess the tangent drops a little bit, so to there, maybe to there, to there, possible. So let me try in the other direction. From tangent line here to the red curve is maybe like that.
No, go to the next one.
Now go to the next one.
Next
Keep
spot
going
on
that
the
way. Keep going left.
left,
Keep going left.
left to, it doesn't hit anything else down there.
Nope. Done. We're going this way.
So
All right,
if
all
it's
right.
that one-
Let me just see if I can say what you just said, because I am slower than you guys, but that sounds mighty good to me. So you're arguing, to be really clear, no matter which way the front wheel, we're turning the front wheel track, that back wheel is fixed in its frame, always pointing towards the front wheel point of contact, no matter what the front wheel's doing. Is that right? At a fixed distance, which we said earlier. So you're telling me, if I were to assume the bicycle was going from left to right, it's an assumption right now, that this back wheel track always points towards the front wheel track and hits it at some fixed distance. Right now it looks like it's hitting at that distance, which seems a bit short for a bicycle for me, but that wasn't our only option, you told me. you actually go out to here. Is that right? So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to look at my right hand. I'm putting your theory to the test. I'm going to slide this ruler, this length, along the back wheel track, always what I think, to the best of my judgment, is the direction that back wheel track is pointing. I'm not going to look at my right hand. You're going to argue that my right hand should be following the front wheel track pretty darn well. Is that right? Within human error, and we didn't draw these things perfectly and all that sort of stuff, but within some parameters of leniency, you think it should work. Is that what I'm hearing? All right. I'm not looking at my right hand. What do you think?
I'm thinking that the
Oh,
first
yeah.
time you measure
But now try it the other way, and you'll see that it looks horrible. Yeah, this looks kind of bad. But when you try it the other way, you're like, oh my gosh, it's bad.
What do you think? I'm kind of...
Yeah.
I'm buying it. It's pretty good. It seems
Whoops.
to be working close.
Yay? All right, I'll try it the other way. I'm going to follow this direction. Looks like I have to go out a longer bicycle now. Oh, I can't even reach it. I'll do it start from here. All right. I'm going to do my best and not look at my left hand, but just follow the tangent line to the black line. What do you think?
It's like the opposite. It's the opposite.
Is it just completely off?
Yes, it's the opposite.
All right. So, I guess there was some human error going on in the middle. In fact, Brian, if I remember, was really shaking and wobbling. He was going very slow at first. And we had a hard time getting clear of the tracks. The paper got scrunched. However, bicycle thing from left to right. Do we have an extra piece of information? Do we know how long the bicycle was?
Brian was drunk.
Is it basically this long?
Yeah, we know roughly.
104 centimeters.
Let's check. Where's the bicycle? Can someone hold the bicycle up in the air for me to put this on the wheels?
Yeah, that was pencil the bicycle length about.
First, just, sort of arm's length.
All right, let's see. Let's see. Point of contact to point of contact. What do you think?
Pretty good.
Whoa.